Okay, here we go again today. And of course my little buddy's down here. Oh, he's just going crazy. Alright, come on. Oh, I had to shave him off a little bit. He was getting like too shaggy. Weren't you? Huh. Notice a little beaky here. He's been cut back a little bit. So, not a lot. As it's getting cold. Colder. They said it might even snow tonight, so you never know. Huh. Right though. Okay. Well, today all I have is I got this in the mail today from my friends over at the Selway Armory. And I get a lot of ammo from those guys. And what I got today was ammunition for my M1 Carbine. And this is kind of different. It's from Underwood. And with these old rifles, what you got to remember is, what you should probably do is not use real heavy loads in them. That's why I bought these bullets. Normally the M1 bullets would be about 110 grains. These aren't. These are like 85. So instead of shooting at about 2,900 feet per second, these would be about 2,100, which is still pretty good. But still, you don't want to overdo it with a rifle that's 80 years old. I mean, even then, it may be the best rifle in the world, but you don't know what's going to happen if you have higher pressures in it. So, and these were not cheap. These cost $32.99 a box. And kind of different. $32.99 for this, for a box of 20, not 50, only 20. And how you doing, dog? Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Open this up. Ow! There he goes again. He's probably gonna go run after the cat. I am. Let's see. Yeah, these are, as it says, they are 85 grain for the 30 caliber M1 carbine, and they're kind of an odd shape projectile. They said their precision ammunition is manufactured with absolute care using the finest components available under SAAMI specifications. All primers are non-corrosive. We produce our ammunition with the utmost care and pride to deliver a product you can be confident in. Well, okay. So we'll have to open this sucker up here. Well, come on, you can open up. I just opened this up just a little bit ago. Jeez. Tell you, these boxes are something else. Sometimes you can open up easy, and then other times you gotta almost rip them open, but I'm not trying to rip this open. There we go. And it's a strange configuration, like I said, especially for a bullet. This is the bullet itself. Hopefully this will focus on it. I don't know if it can. Well, let me do it this way. I'll do it this way. Put it right in front of the white paper here, and you can see that it's got a weird thing. It's not a point. It's kind of like a square. It's kind of weird. It's kind of a square copper jacket. And 30 caliber are small anyway. They aren't that big anyhow. But It's kind of a different system. But anyway, it's the way it's shaped, the reason they do it that way, because when you fire this projectile, what it's going to do is, when it gets out of the barrel, it's going to start tumbling. And actually it'll make a bigger hole when it tumbles. That's the whole idea behind the shape at the end of this. That's what it says anyway, and how it was made. But yeah, just a box of 20, $33 a box for those. Now I could have gone to Royal Tiger Imports, and I could have gone to them. They had a box for $34.95, but also I'd be stuck with shipping across country with that. They would have to use UPS too. Let's see what UPS costs. This came from Montana. These guys are in Montana, and the cost was $17.53. There's no hazardous waste fee on these. The hazardous waste fee is normally if you're shipping powder. If you're shipping powder, it'll only go by ground. They will not ship it by air. And there's only two places, UPS or FedEx. That's the only way you can get it. And anyway, this stuff here, this ammunition, I didn't even have to sign for it going through UPS. Like I did my rifles. My rifles that went through FedEx, I had to sign for them, and I had to show them my driver's license. And they had to scan it. But with the ammunition, they aren't doing that here in Reno. But anyway, so yeah, we'll have to see. The weather's kind of too cold right now, but hopefully it'll warm up by next week, I'm hoping. And we're going to try to go ahead and see if we can take some guns out and shoot them. Oh, all right. My little buddy's back again. All right. And what? What do you think? What do you think about bullets like this anyway? You don't really care, do you? No. He's a dog. He doesn't care. So anyway, that's all I have. I guess we'll find out how this does when the weather warms up some. Ron was talking about that the other day too. He said, we got to get out and shoot. I said, well, I know. I said, I've got a lot of these rifles I bought, but I haven't shot any of them. I still even have, I think, my TTC Tokarev pistols I haven't shot either. But I don't know. I'll do rifles and probably maybe a pistol or two. I don't know. We'll figure that out. But anyway, we'll see. So that's going to be it for now. I'll talk to you guys later.